Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hotjar for analyzing user behavior in apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Hotjar website at hotjar.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling out the required fields, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will receive a confirmation email from Hotjar. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Hotjar website to log in. Enter your email and password, then click on the Login button. After logging in, you will be guided through a quick onboarding process. Follow the prompts to complete your profile information. You will then be asked to select your primary use case for Hotjar. Choose the option that best describes your needs for user behavior analysis. Next, you need to install the Hotjar tracking script on your app. Go to the Install Tracking section in your Hotjar dashboard. Copy the provided tracking code that is generated for your account. Access your app's codebase and navigate to the HTML file of your app. Paste the tracking code into the header section of your HTML file. Save the changes and deploy your app to make the tracking live. Return to the Hotjar dashboard and wait for data to start appearing. Explore the various features such as heat maps, recordings, and feedback. Set up specific tools that you wish to utilize based on your analysis needs. Monitor user interactions and gather insights to improve user experience. Regularly check the dashboard for updated behavior analytics. Utilize these insights to make informed decisions about your app's design and functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.